file room in
Oh.
Colette's area.
All right, let me close that breakout room, Miss Underwood. All right, Miss Underwood, we are back. Well, where'd he go? Come on. There he is. All right, we are back on the record with Mr. Blevins in the matter of the people of the state of Michigan versus Nicholas Blevins. So Miss Underwood, he has a couple new R&O charges. And so we have a violation of probation sentence and a contempt of court for failure to appear on each file. How would you like to proceed today, Miss Underwood?
Your Honor, I would ask the court to enter a not guilty plea on Mr. Blevins' behalf as to the bench warrant. And Your Honor, I would ask the court to set these matters over for Judge Olsaver and Mr. Murphy on Wednesday morning.
Okay, let me call and see if I can do that. I don't know what his Wednesday looks like, so. Well, I can't, I don't know what date he has available. So what I will do is we'll get a hold of Miss Clark. She's probably in the vault right now, and get a date. And then we'll send that notice over, and hopefully it's next Wednesday, but otherwise it might be another day next week. All right, Miss Underwood?
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, Mr. Blevins, your bond's continued. Thank you.
Good.
So he actually had a case. He was on probation for, Miss Underwood, and there was a BOP sentencing on that one, and then a new charge sentencing. So he failed to appear for his sentencing as well. So, all right, Mr. Cousineau.
Yes, ma'am.
Good morning. This is in the matter of the people of the state of Michigan versus Cody Ryan Cousineau. So Mr. Cousineau, we are here today on a contempt of court for failure to comply with bond conditions. And I'm looking to see, who's your attorney, Mr. Cousineau?
Glazier.
John Glazier. All right,
Yeah.
Is that correct, Ms. Underwood?
I'm sorry, Your Honor.
Mr. Cousineau's attorney is John Glazier on this file, is that correct?
Just let me check, Your Honor.
So Mr. Cousineau, one of your bond conditions is that you were to test twice a week with our pretrial services coordinator, Mr. Darren Coast, and you have, the allegation against you is you failed to get set up with 2 times a week drug testing. So Mr. Cousineau, a contempt of court can carry up to 93 days in jail. Do you understand that?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, this is new to me. I just seen my probation officer.
Wait. So Mr. Cousineau,
Okay.
understand this is a court proceeding, so anything you say could be used against you. So I want to safeguard your rights and protect those rights. So Mr. Cousineau, would you like Ms. Underwood to speak with you today about how to proceed?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, so I will appoint Ms. Underwood to represent you. Go ahead and join that breakout room.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. Not yet. So I think you're done.
I was gonna say, maybe.
Yeah, you're done.
Okay, well, I'm over there. You need to come get me.
Okay, we know where to find you. Remember, bend your knees when you lift.
Well, I think the lifting is done. He had to rearrange all the cabinets back there, but I'm just trying to dust and put stuff back. Thank you.
Bye. All right, so let me close that breakout room. Bring Mr. Cousineau back.
Your Honor, this is your case, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Is Mr. Coast available?
I think so. I saw him, his door open. So unless he's over at the jail or doing a home visit. Hi, Mr. Coast. This is Judge Ann's phone. I am on the record with Cody Cousineau.
Okay,
If you want to zoom in.
absolutely, I'll be right up.
All right, thank you. All right, give us just a moment and Mr. Coast is going to zoom in.
That 138.
All right, so Mr. Coast, we are here today with Cody Ryan Cousineau. Mr. Cousineau was arraigned and bond conditions were set that he was report to you to set up 2 times a week drug testing. And he's set for pretrial on February 19th in front of this court. So Ms. Underwood, you had asked for Mr. Coast. Do you need to speak to Mr. Coast or?
I think Mr. Cousineau might have been confused. He talked to his probation officer in district court on the 5th, and he wasn't told about any.
Judge, that is true. He did report to Mr. Feltz, and I did talk to Mr. Feltz, and he instructed Cody to get a hold of me the very next day to set up the actual bond conditions. I did receive word then that he moved to Share the Warmth. I actually called Share the Warmth, left a message with staff there to relay the message to Cody to get a hold of me, and if I didn't hear from him, I was going to seek a warrant, and so that's what happened.
Okay, well, I think Mr. Coast, I'm going to plead him not guilty on this. And if the judge would release him and he comes right over, would that be acceptable to you? And we can.
Well, I mean, obviously he needs to be drug tested. And thus far he has a solid direction.
Just so you know, he has a video arraignment today in district court, I believe, on a new possession of meth charge.
It's an old one.
So he's still got charges. So I'm not gonna release him. Our next pretrial is February 19th. He's gotta go down to district court and get arraigned on a new charge. Shows he's got a video arraignment, so I'm gonna leave him in jail and I'll just enter a plea of not guilty and set it over to February 19th at 8:30 with his other pretrial, all right?
Very good. And Cody, should you bond out, you need to immediately come up to the 3rd floor. When you exit the elevators, go across to the clerk's office. Let them know that you need to see me, Darren Coase, so I can set you up for those drug screens.
Okay.
Okay, all right, Ms. Underwood, thank you so much. Everybody have a good day.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you.